If you're seeing the OneNote error that says this section isn't available yet, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast, whether the issue is caused by a sync delay, a temporary connection problem, or a notebook that needs to be reopened properly. The good news is that your cloud data is safe, and in most cases, you do not need to rebuild anything from scratch. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Let's get into it. First, go to the section that is stuck and click directly inside it, then press Shift plus F9. This forces OneNote to do a targeted background sync for that specific section, which can often clear the error right away. If the section still doesn't load properly, try a full sync instead. In the desktop app, click File, then Info, then View Sync Status. From there, click Sync All. This tells OneNote to check every notebook and every section for any pending sync problems and can help refresh the section that is showing the error. If that still doesn't fix it, the next step is to open a web browser and sign in directly to OneNote for the web. Once you're in, locate the notebook that is throwing the error and open it there. This is an important step because it confirms whether the notebook is healthy in the cloud and not just stuck inside the desktop app. If the notebook opens correctly on the web, that means your cloud copy is usually fine. Now keep your desktop OneNote app open, right-click the notebook name in the left sidebar and choose Close this notebook. After that, go back to the browser version and click Open in Desktop app. This reopens the notebook cleanly and can often break the loop that causes the section unavailable message. Once the notebook is reopened, give OneNote a moment to sync everything again. You may need to wait a few seconds while the app reconnects and refreshes the section list. In many cases, one of these steps will immediately bring the missing section back. So to recap, start with Shift plus F9, then use Sync All, then check the notebook in OneNote for the web, and finally close and reopen the notebook from the browser if needed. If this fixed your OneNote issue, please like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.